Okay, you only have to do 3 simple things to fix your phone fast charging in case it's taking too long to charge. The first one, open up the settings. Scroll all the way down until you see battery, tap on it. Go all the way to the end until you see this setting, charging settings. Tap on it. You will see 3 different settings. The first one, show charging information, fast charging, and fast wireless charging. If the fast charging setting is on your phone, you're gonna turn it off. If that was already off on your phone, that means, that's the reason why your phone is charging too slow. Just turn on that setting and your phone will be charging a lot faster. Now, if that setting was on your phone, turn it off, go to the main page, you can close all that, and you're gonna force restart your phone. That's the trick. Okay, you're gonna force restart your phone. To do that, very easy. You're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down at the same time until your phone turns off. So just press the power button and volume down at the same time, okay? Even if you see, the menu to turn off your iPhone, keep holding down both buttons until your phone turns off. Once you see the phone is off, release both buttons and now only press the power button. Okay, it will take a minute, don't worry, your phone is still good, so it won't affect your phone, not at all. If your phone won't come on, release the power button and press again the power button. Alright, it's coming now, so it takes sometimes from 20 to 40 seconds, okay? Once your phone is on, unlock your phone. Now open up the settings, scroll the way down until you see battery, tap on it. Scroll the way down until you see charging settings, tap on it. Turn the fast charging setting back on. And now try to charge your phone and you will see that your phone is gonna be charging fast like before. If your phone doesn't show fast charging when you connect the charger, that means the charger that you are using right now is not fast charger, okay? You're gonna have to use a 45-watt charger and that way you will see. I'm gonna plug it in right now. And as you can see, it says super fast charging 2.0. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comment section. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.